Hey there, space lovers and curious minds. Welcome back to Curiosity Station. Today, we're going to dive into the mysteries of the cosmos and explore 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe that will leave you in awe. So, buckle up and get ready for an interstellar journey. Did you know that the universe is constantly expanding? That's right. In 1929, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other. This means that the universe is getting bigger and bigger every second. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember that everything is moving further apart. It's hard to wrap our heads around the sheer number of stars in the universe. In fact, there are more stars than there are grains of sand on Earth. With an estimated 100 billion galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars, the total number of stars is mind-boggling. Just imagine the vastness of the cosmos. Black holes are some of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe. They're formed when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, creating an incredibly dense object with a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape. That's why they're called black holes. They're invisible to the naked eye. The speed of light is the fastest speed in the universe, clocking in at an incredible 299,792 kilometers per second. 186,282 miles per second. Nothing can travel faster than light, making it the cosmic speed limit. This means that when we look at distant stars and galaxies, we're actually seeing them as they were in the past. We're looking back in time. Contrary to popular belief, the universe doesn't have a center. Since the universe is constantly expanding, every point in space is moving away from every other point. This means that there's no central point. The universe is infinite and boundless. While we can see stars, galaxies, and other celestial objects, they only make up about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is made up of mysterious dark matter and dark energy, which we can't see or directly detect. Scientists are still trying to understand these enigmatic substances and their role in the cosmos. The universe has been around for quite some time. According to the Big Bang Theory, the universe was created 13.8 billion years ago in a massive explosion. Since then, it has been expanding and evolving, giving rise to the incredible cosmic landscape we see today. In about 4 billion years, our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is set to collide with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy. But don't worry, the chances of individual stars colliding are slim, and by the time this cosmic event occurs, our solar system will likely be long gone. The concept of multiple universes, or the multiverse, is a fascinating idea that has captured the imagination of scientists and science enthusiasts alike. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe might be just one of countless other universes, each with its own unique laws of physics and properties. While this idea is still purely theoretical and has yet to be proven, it opens up a world of possibilities and challenges our understanding of the cosmos. Despite the vast number of celestial objects in the universe, it's actually mostly empty space. The distances between stars, galaxies, and other cosmic structures are so vast that they make up the majority of the universe. This emptiness is a testament to the incredible scale of the cosmos and the vastness of the universe. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe that are sure to leave you in awe. We hope you enjoyed this interstellar journey and learned something new about the cosmos. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Curiosity Station for more fascinating content about science, space, and the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.